Did you know the best free AI video generator, Grok AI, has just locked its doors? If you've been building a faceless YouTube channel lately, you probably woke up today in shock. Grok is no longer free. They took their incredible image-to-video model behind a paywall, and now thousands of creators are completely panicking. But do not panic, and whatever you do, don't reach for your credit card. I spent the last 2 days testing every AI video generator still available, and I found a 100% free alternative that will change everything. The clips you are watching right now, they all made with Meta AI. A lot of people overlook Meta's AI tools, but they've quietly released one of the most powerful, unrestricted text-to-video and image-to-video models out there. No subscription fees, no limits, just pure creative freedom. All right, viewers, let's jump into creating some videos. First, head over to the Meta AI website and sign up for an account. Once you're in, click on the Create button. After that, a prompt box will appear like this. Now, if you want to make a video from text, here's a small limitation. Currently, Meta AI only generates videos in a 9:16 aspect ratio by default. If you need a 16:9 video, you'll have to first create an image and then convert it. But don't worry, you can create an image right here. Just select the image option, type what you want, and Meta.ai will create image for you. Just be sure select the 16:9 ratio first. It's a straightforward process and not too complicated at all. All right, so once our image is ready, we go ahead and click on the animate option. As soon as we do that, the image starts converting into a video. Now, take a look, our video turned out really well, but there's one thing. Since we didn't add a specific animation prompt, it used a random animation, so there could be some quirks or glitches. If you want full creative control, here's what you do. First, download the image, then re-upload that image as a reference. After that, you enter your custom animation prompt. Once you do that, just hit generate again, and the video will be created exactly as you envisioned. Now, as you can see, this time the video matches our exact prompt and the result is just perfect. Now, if you want, you can extend your video. Just click on the extend option and the tool will automatically lengthen your video. And if you'd like to restyle it, you have a range of different styles to choose from. Just pick the one that fits your vision best. It's completely up to you. To download the video, simply click on the download icon and your video will be saved instantly to your gallery. Right now, this tool is completely free and unlimited, no limits, no credit system. Now let's generate a video using simple text. For that, just switch from the image option to the video option. Then enter your prompt in the box and hit enter. And here we go. We've got 4 versions of our video. Just take a look at this. If you want, you can extend it. It's completely up to you. I also tested out many different prompts. And here are some video samples that I got. Overall, I really like these results, and you can also get outcomes, like this prompting is everything. Right now, Meta AI is completely free, but we don't know how long it will stay that way since Grok has already become limited. So it's possible that in the future, Meta AI will also add some restrictions. Right now, though, you have an amazing opportunity to create unlimited videos while you can. To try out Meta AI, just go to the Meta AI website linked in the description. And if you liked this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button to get more awesome tutorials and to support us. And if you have any comments, thoughts, or questions, just drop them in the comment box. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, take care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching.